Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
Hey, I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 11th of August. Hey, a little cloudy-ish, kind of cool for this time of the year. Temperatures below forecast, and nobody's griping about that. Let's check out some of the Skycam shots, and of course, cloud cover, the reason for the cooler temperatures today. That's the Gadsden Skycam. The sky cloudy, most everybody in the 80s at 2 o'clock. That's okay. We'll live with that. We'll go back over to northwest Alabama. That's the Skycam at Guin in Marion County, where the sun is beginning to break through after clouds this morning. And a water shot up in the Tennessee Valley. That's the Tennessee River is seen from the Skycam in Decatur. The parade of the MCS continues. We had one that kind of fizzled out across the state this morning. What's left of that is over in Georgia. Things are quiet here, but the next one is over Oklahoma and North Texas, and by golly, that has broken their heat wave, at least over North Texas and Oklahoma. There's the radar coming out of Fort Smith at 2:34. Big convective cluster there rolling through. Got one severe thunderstorm warning on the Texas-Oklahoma border. And if that holds together, winds up in here tonight. You know how it goes. And again, the synoptic scale models, the global models we show you here, not a lot of help with this stuff. So we'll see if that makes it in here tonight. And yeah, come on now. Temperatures are looking good for an August afternoon. Tuscaloosa, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, August 11th, 83. Same for Anniston. Gadsden, 79. Birmingham, 84. You got to like that. And around the nation, look at the heat breaking in Oklahoma. Looks like they're sitting in the 70s out there because of clouds and rain. And even into Dallas-Fort Worth, they are below 100. Could this be the end of their streak? I think they've gone 39 days with a high at or over 100. That's repulsive. And again, around here, things are pretty mild because of the clouds. Watch warning map, pretty quiet. No watches or warnings around the nation. We still got a slight risk of severe weather west of the state for that latest MCS rolling along the Red River. Another one up across the high plains. Day 2 tomorrow. The standard slight risk of severe weather from Oklahoma City and Little Rock North almost up to Des Moines and Minneapolis-St. Paul. And day 3 Saturday, we got that risk into North Alabama with an advancing front. And we'll see how that plays out. But certainly I think we have at least one round of storms over the weekend, and they might pack a punch. Check the QPF chart. Rain for the next 5 days. This is suggesting rainfall amounts of about 1 inch. And, of course, rainfall amounts are tremendously variable. Like today, some folks had almost 1 inch. Some folks had nothing. That's the way it works in the summer around here. Yeah, the tropics are heating up a little bit. Obviously, the waves to watch are the twins out there in the eastern Atlantic. And I'll be honest with you, both of them could very well be recurving storms that will not affect the United States. We don't know that for sure yet, but we'll take a look at modeling. First off, on the lead wave, 92. And you can see the models take that north of the Leeward Islands, north of Puerto Rico, on a recurving track. And with a strong trough developing over the eastern U.S. early next week, that should keep that away from the United States. Now, the trailing wave, a little more uncertain. This one is more of a low-latitude system, and it remains to be seen if this will recurve or wind up trying to push into the Caribbean. But again, it just seems like a mean trough is trying to form over the eastern U.S. that just might keep that away from the states. But it's just way too early. We don't know yet. We'll see. Whatever, those waves are a long way out there. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, and it's the same deal. We're kind of on the southern edge of the westerlies. A northwest flow aloft, but modeling has been very persistent in the idea of a mostly dry day tomorrow. Both the NAM and the GFS are in good agreement here that we'll go through the day with more sun, no rain, or isolated showers, and highs back up in the low 90s tomorrow. So we'll still maintain only a small chance of a shower. Now, Saturday starting off the weekend, again, this looks relatively dry, but modeling is suggesting maybe Saturday night that trailing front coming from that surface low that's southeast of Chicago could affect the state with a round of thunderstorms. And again, the timing would really suggest maybe Saturday night or Sunday morning, because look at Sunday evening. This is 7 o'clock Sunday evening. We're getting into dry air. So I think we're going to start to move in that direction in the forecast. Maybe the main window for a round of storms, 6 p.m. Saturday until 9 a.m. Sunday, something like that. That's a little odd for summer, but with the good trough developing over the east, that could very well happen. And there's Monday, and there's your trough. That's pretty impressive for this time of the year on the East Coast. And down below that, very dry air. Highs in the 80s, lows in the 60s, low humidity, cooler nights. Yeah. There's Tuesday, dry as a bone. Tuesday morning, some folks up in northeast Alabama might have a crack at the upper 50s. A little touch of fall in the air. And again, we note the tropical system well to the east of Florida. That's the lead wave. That could be, let's see, what's the next? Franklin is the next one. After E, we had Emily. That would be Franklin. And Wednesday, Franklin is moving north. No impact on the direct impact on the United States other than rough surf. And again, that looks pretty dry for Wednesday. And then a week from today still looks kind of dry. So at this point, next week looking relatively quiet. We'll check the end of the forecast, August 27th, 588 Ridge. Again, building over the central states, we're kind of on the periphery of that thing, and that would suggest pretty routine summer weather if that's the case. Partly sunny, hot, humid, maybe a storm in spots. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you live around here, we invite you to watch us on television tonight, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Thank you for trusting us to be your #1 source for news
in all of Central Alabama.
in back-to-back ratings periods.
More people watched ABC 3340
than any other station in Birmingham.